In this GlassTracks training video, I'll be covering our shipment detail screen. The shipment detail screen is used for tagged inventory only. Tagged inventory has unique identifiers so that you can select a specific piece of inventory to fulfill a specific order. And that is what the shipment detail screen does. It helps you select a specific piece of inventory to fulfill an order. So the first thing you're going to do is come to the Sales tab at the top. From there, you're going to go to the Invoicing Procedures button, and the first option is Shipment Detail. Now I'm going to tab or enter through this process date, and then I'm going to go ahead and type in my sales order number that I'm trying to pack. In this case, I can look it up with my binoculars, or since I know it, I'm going to go ahead and type in the number. As you pull in the sales order, the information for that order populates. Now in this case, it's just one line, 2 pieces of a 40 by 80 1/4-inch clear piece of glass. I'm going to come down here to my pull field, and I'm going to do a lookup. When I click this lookup button, it's going to show me all available tags for this particular product that are already 40 by 80. In this case, it's perfect. I've got 2 available pieces. So I can go ahead and select that by double-clicking and then clicking the select button. Now it pulls the tag number down here, and I'm going to say I'm pulling both of these pieces, so I'm going to say 2 pieces are being pulled, and it shows you the square footage. If I tab out of there and I tab out of the ship field, it also populates with a tag number, and I'm also shipping 2 pieces out. And again, it'll populate here. In some situations, you may be pulling different quantities than your ship quantity, in which case you might end up with some scrap. In this case, I've got 0 square feet, so it's great. But your options with scrap, you can restock it by checking this box here, and it'll put it back in inventory for you. Or you can choose to allocate the scrap over here, and it will go ahead and take the cost of that scrap and allocate it to this particular sales order to give you a better idea of profitability. Now, once you've selected your tag to pull and ship, you're done with this line, and you can say line finished, and you would go on to the next line if there were one. You can also just click run finished if you're finished with all the lines, like I am in this case. When I do that, it goes ahead and it finishes the run, and I'm ready to go. The next thing I need to do is create a packing list. So once I'm done with that, I can create the packing list from 2 locations in GlassTracks. I can pull that order back in right here, and I can click Create Pack List. Or I could come back up to Invoicing Procedures and go to Create Packing List here, which would open up a different screen and allow me to create a packing list from this screen. Since I already have it pulled up in this screen, though, I'm just going to go ahead and click Create Pack List. And it's going to auto-populate that Create Packing List screen that I just had open. When you're done, you just say header's finished, packing list is finished, and you can go ahead and print this, and you can go ahead and put that on the truck or send that to your driver, whoever you're using for this packing list, and you're all done. The reason we need to have a packing list is because we need to have a packing list to base an invoice off of. So whatever is packed is what we invoice for. So that is why we ask you to first stage the inventory in that shipment detail screen and then create a packing list so that we know what to base our invoice off of. That is the shipment detail screen. If you have any questions, feel free to email glasstrackstech@kssco.com or give us a call here at Kimsey Software. Thank you.